Bon, bah vous êtes prêts? Moi j'avoue, je suis trop prête, j'ai ultra hypé. Go, allez. Mais vous savez quoi, on vient de tout faire déjà. On a tout fait déjà. Allez hop, confirme. Oh damn. On a tout fait déjà. On a déjà tout fait. Ah. Action à temps imparti, interactif ou cinématique? Tu conseilles quoi, Sazu? T'as peut-être vu les deux? Interactif ou cinématique? En gros, ça veut dire que là, quand j'aurai des QTE, ce sera visible sur les cinématiques, alors que là, on les voit pas? Ça? Ou alors, est-ce que ça veut dire que carrément, je perds du gameplay si je mets dans cinématique? Comme tu veux, ça change pas grand-chose. C'est vrai? QTE ou pas? Ah, moi j'aime bien quand il y a du QTE, moi. Vas-y. Ouais, moi j'aime bien les QTE. Allez, restons sur les QTE alors. J'espère ne pas regretter de ne pas avoir mis la censure. Au pire, je serai mal à l'aise. Tout le monde sera mal à l'aise. En QTE, il y a quand même les ralentis. Ah, ok. Salut tout pixel! Salut, salut, bienvenue! Bienvenue, cher ami, comment vas-tu? On découvre le jeu!
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than...
Je le connais peu, j'aime mon père, il est parti. Je le connaissais peu.
Didn't really
Ah
know
ouais,
him.
ok.
He wasn't around much.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now, because he's dead.
Oh.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this?
Bah oui.
Shit, my nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
Mauvaise réponse.
This is more like how I thought this would be.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy as you bitch ass to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
live.
smells like outside smells. Wait,
Hey,
wait!
I have neighbors. Inside voice.
Okay.
Just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay. Steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please! That's all I know!
Stop screaming, God damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Help!
Non, remonte-le.
Honestly,
Il s'en souviendra, ok?
about this stuff.
On va peut-être faire des mauvaises idées.
What I'm saying is, I'm really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
Et il s'en souviendra parce qu'il est pas mort en fait. Au sol, vous êtes des malades vous. Ok. Ça va le son, c'est pas trop fort? Elle a réussi à s'habiller, mais quel connard. C'est le monsieur de est-ce qu'on met cinématique ou pas là? Je savais qu'on allait faire ça. Le son est bien, ok, c'est nickel. Ok, parfait, merci. Oh, visuellement, j'aime beaucoup en tout cas.
He's here!
Ok, je commence à comprendre comment ça marche. Ok, ok. Ah merde. Ah, le famoso piratage. Ah, oh, oh. Attends, pourquoi je suis en W là? Voilà, ok.
Time to finish this. Nailed it.
Hi, j'aime bien le mini-jeu.
Yes. All right, next one.
I'm stuck. Pourquoi?
All right. Just one more.
Ah!
All right, got it.
Hihi! Ok. Ackerman, t'as vu ça? Pas ouf l'iPad. Bancal, bancal. Ouais, j'ai fait ça toute ma vie, ouais. Porte. Ah, j'aime beaucoup la DA. J'aime beaucoup, beaucoup. Même si on dirait un peu un animé américain, mais... En jeu vidéo, je trouve ça passe nickel.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Because I'm about to fuck you up and those videos do numbers. Maybe we can go viral.
Ooh, maybe we can go viral.
C'était sûr que c'était pas Spectre.
All this build up face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Oh, c'est toi, là?
We'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit.
Oui, c'est vrai que ça ressemble à Invincible.
Pretty well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad...
Quel gros bâtard.
Bet you didn't know that, huh? So, after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was, and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like, so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
just
Ta
kept...
gueule.
Get it.
C'est le mec qu'on a épargné, ouais. Il nous a bien remercié, c'est cool. Ce gros bâtard. Bah ouais, bah tant pis pour toi en fait. C'est un peu le... ce qu'aurait dû faire la chute, finalement.
Where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real.
Ah, son pied. Clairement, ça aurait été bitume direct avec cette info en plus, ouais. Ouais, clairement.
Cool dick. So you got some
Ok.
in there?
You can call me toxic.
Bro. That
Okay.
works on so many levels for you.
Yeah,
La censure.
that's the point! Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
J'ai l'impression que c'est un peu fort, moi, de mon côté. Dites-moi si c'est trop fort du vôtre. Oh merde! Oh.
Figures.
Allez. Il me faut un peu plus de place là. Mais... Ah, maintenir ces dingueries en fait. Oh non. Ce serait bien que j'ai des potes moi en fait. Ouais, ce serait bien que j'ai des potes. vous êtes des enfants dans le chat. Pour l'instant, ils sont quand même très faciles et pas très punitifs, les QTE, mais je suppose que c'est parce que c'est le début. Ah!
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about this thing. Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were
Ignoré.
fucking talkative earlier.
M'en fous! M'en fous de toi!
I'm just the messenger here.
Says you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
Fuck it.
Hey, great! All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe. Come on!
La pété le robot! Il tout pété le robot! C'est faucheur!
Yeah,
Bon, tu cries victoire peut-être un peu vite là, non?
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
Ouais, voilà. Ouais, voilà. C'est pas vraiment une victoire, non, pas vraiment. Pas vraiment.
Warning. Warning.
Boum, ouais. Et on est mort, et voilà, c'est la fin du jeu. Bravo! C'était super, j'ai adoré. C'était super. Cinéma, GG. Merci, merci, j'ai réussi à perdre dès le début, c'est super. Très belle efficacité. Ah, tu vas nous faire une danse TikTok? Dis-moi que c'est ça.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our
On va voir le truc qui va s'écrouler derrière.
the death of Mecha Man. Again.
Again?
For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles.
Ah!
Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilot, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of
Sans musique, bah c'est dans ses oreilles.
After years of loyal service, tragedy struck
Calera après.
when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope
Ah, c'était un gentil à la base.
generation of Mecha Man emerged, a Mecha Man for the modern era, a bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area, until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
Par des clips sur YouTube où les refont sans musique. Mais oui, j'adore. Bah, je crois que ça s'appelle les Without Music, non? Très drôle.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work. Effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next for Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring and some of them were worried you
Merci.
wouldn't wake up.
I just want to say thank you
Oh
for
non.
your support. I hope to be worthy of it. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance.
Oh, je vais dire des dingueries, c'est sûr, faut que je fasse
Does
gaffe.
this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Finito
Years
pipo.
old. Why are you talking?
Answer the question.
Je le dis tout le temps, finito pipo, tu peux pas dire ça.
My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's go.
Pas encore. I'm not done yet.
Tiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Oh, tu peux aller se faire foutre, je pense.
Not yet. All right, just one more, please. I got to get back to just one more.
Finito
Someone
pipo.
from the century.
Charles Kingsley.
Quelqu'un de notre époque, mais il est gros bâtard.
Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
Pendant des mois, oh fuck.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you?
Je me suis échappé en fait.
Conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your
Mais c'est quoi cette question?
Your father, your grandfather, they must be rolling over in their
Allez, je me tire, c'est bon. C'est ciao. C'est ciao. Tu me manques de respect, je me tire. Tout le monde s'en souviendra. Ouais, bah désolé. Hein. Ah, le gros bâtard, c'était quoi cette question?
Is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Oh, va te faire enculer.
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died.
Oh, les gens sont affreux. Les gens sont affreux.
Stay tuned to find out.
Tu vas rien faire là, genre? Appelle au moins la police, non? Fais quelque chose. Tu vas finir à l'hôpital, mais c'est pas grave, vas-y.
Just put the TVs back and you can leave. I won't say anything to the cops, and this doesn't need to escalate.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Tu es un mecha-man sans mecha.
Hobo Ranger? Who the fuck?
Un type qui a plus rien à perdre, hein,
Right
clairement.
now, I'm someone with nothing to lose, which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Si, on va te mettre des
I'm gonna
patates.
have to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
Oh, je les aime bien, les persos, ils sont trop cool.
You're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every...
J'ai mis gauche alors qu'il a le bras en... Ah, peut-être que du coup il s'y attendait pas, c'est cool. Ah bah mais je me suis fait fracasser. Oh, il prend turbo cher. Oh, ça y est, j'ai un pote. J'ai une pote, c'est encore mieux. Yes. Allez.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi, yeah, I know who you are. You're like...
Madame.
Oh,
Hey.
I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Pour être un dégonflé, ouais.
Right,
Cool.
I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Ah, fuck. Oh, yeah. That's gross.
Ah.
You look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Okay. Wow, that's okay.
Elle est trop belle. Oh.
One of them is on that roof. You look like you could use a drink.
Ouais. Let's go. On va boire un verre avec la jolie madame.
I didn't even realize it.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks? Shit. Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I would be buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that.
Non mais elle est...
I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Oh. Damn, madame, cette descente.
Was impressive.
Oh,
Tu m'étonnes que t'es pompette.
it's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It
Ah.
takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent...
Ouh.
Millions.
Est-ce qu'on peut mettre... Oui. Merci beaucoup pour le raid. Bienvenue Mugen, bienvenue. Installez-vous tout le monde. Merci infiniment pour ce raid, ça fait très plaisir. Vous étiez sur quoi? Il faut que je mette un truc qui me met sur quoi vous étiez à chaque fois. C'est plus sympa, je pense. Installez-vous confortablement, on est sur Dispatch. Et pour l'instant, c'est très cool. C'est très cool. J'aime bien les persos. Le Mighty Final Fantasy XI, mais bien sûr. As usual. Pourquoi je pose la question? C'était bien? T'as kiffé? Bonjour le raid. Bonjour le raid, bien sûr. Installez-vous confortablement. On est un peu au ciné. Hein. C'est beaucoup de cinématiques, un petit peu de QTE. Et c'est rigolo en vrai. Vu que t'as adoré FF14, tu adoreras... Oui, bah bien sûr, ouais, j'ai adoré, t'as raison. J'ai surkiffé. Comment dire? En tout cas, installez-vous confortablement, on va reprendre le jeu. Et vous allez voir, c'est très chouette. C'est très chouette.
You'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been
Ça marche, bon appétit, Mugen.
sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
You what?
Pas pour les gens.
Is everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Pourquoi t'es un héros en fait?
I guess I just like helping people.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably be switching to water.
Good, because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
Oui, tout ce que tu veux. Non, ça va pas être une proposition comme ça.
Trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter
Intriguant.
of picking the right moment.
Well,
Parle de taf. Elle parle de taf.
sound intriguing.
That's actually...
C'est de la vodka?
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol.
Et pas du paf.
As you spit it
Absolument.
directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought...
Oh là, mais madame, elle aurait pas des problèmes, la dame, là?
I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch! Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
C'était pas aussi évident que ça. Oh là là. le tocard originel.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. Oh, I know.
Ils étaient tous incroyables.
You are Mr. Wet Ponytail. Your superpower is then obviously your ponytail, which, aside from being disgusting, has the ability to never not be wet. In battle, you whip it around and anyone it touches
Fucking kills.
That is... Damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
Ouais.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn.
Super.
And flambe. And
Flambe.
I do remember you're that shitty villain I busted up.
not anymore, mecha dick. As I literally just I am flambe. Really.
Flambe.
And you are not mecha man anymore. So
Je l'aime pas lui, c'est fou.
we need to get the fuck out of
Oh ouais, lance-lui l'alcool dans la gueule, il va brûler.
do this the easy way.
Sorry. Which way was that?
No, Punch Up. You're literally fanning the flames right now.
Shit, yeah, you're right. Anybody got a rug? You gotta drop and roll, lad.
That doesn't burn.
Some people become scared before they even know they're hurt. Like babies.
Mecha dick, get the fuck out of here.
Ah merde.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside? Relax. I'm leaving.
Oh, laisse un billet quand même. Tu vas pas la laisser payer? Eh ben, faut croire que si. Encore un verre.
I couldn't find you.
Elle n'aura jamais assez
Just admire
bu.
the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Ouais, elle a un gros problème.
Bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward.
Oh, il est ruiné, bon, quand même.
Why'd it smell like burnt hair?
I got a little fired up with the guy, but he ran off before anything happened, so...
Oh, you got fired up.
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Oh, oui! Vomis pas, mon pote. Yay! Il est ruiné, mais il aurait pu laisser une pièce pour la forme, tu vois. Il a l'habitude de voler aussi. Ouais, mais peut-être pas sans ça, tu vois. Stylé. Ce rêve bleu. Avec cette verre dans la main. Ah oui, super. On laisse planter la gueule. Il y a des gens sur le Y.
Taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already. So.
I really appreciate you coming to my rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but... all I'm trying to say is... thanks. I should have just said that, but... yeah, I'm still talking.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Merci, merci.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was
Ah,
Grandpa,
il s'ennuyait, hein.
then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Rob.
Ah, t'es quoi, t'es Rob?
Me, Robert. Because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit.
Eh
Which
ben.
I guess I don't have to worry about anymore.
Eh?
What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Ah,
Definitely.
donc on garde contact? C'est ça que t'es en train de me dire? Oh. Ah, c'était pas que travail en fait.
We can work with this.
Hein? Non, 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 l'embrasse pas, l'embrasse pas, l'embrasse pas. Ah merde, elle me foulait!
I'm actually here with a purpose. The way I went about things. I'm sorry. It was all a little loose. A little
Ah, elle est bien là pour le taf!
Professional. I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official
C'est... Ok, donc si j'avais bien lu le truc, c'est juste qu'elle a déconné.
I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
Still more.
Cette phrase terrible.
Do you remember a superhero?
Oh fuck. Je sais pas, dans ma tête elle est gay.
He's like that I haven't talked to in a while. But what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer.
Tu t'es code blocked. Mais ouais, grave.
Mentoring some of our
Merde de merde.
heroes. SDN can make you Mecha Man.
Ah!
but this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
So this was like some sort of interview?
I was worried that you might be
Crazy?
unstable, damaged, unfit, batshit, bullshit, I don't know, whatever you want to call it.
A priori pas du coup. Yes.
It's a big investment. It'll take
J'ai fait le même choix, c'est vrai?
time
Bon, ça va alors.
to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced.
Et pourquoi toi?
Time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
So when do we get started?
J'ai envie de croire qu'elle s'est juste rattrapée. Ah ouais, pour le taf? Je
Dispatch.
pense pas.
What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to.
Je pense qu'elle a un petit peu bu quand même.
Here.
Plus peut-être il lui plaît et puis basta quoi.
Be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to
Vous voulez pas sauter sur la première meuf venue?
Pop it on.
Je suis
This
d'accord.
is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Oh.
Greetings and welcome to this training
Et puis je sais pas, dans ma tête elle est vraiment gay, du coup j'ai pas...
But we're nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do
Allez.
we start?
Let's go! Tuto time, mais oui!
Well, it appears we've got our first call for...
Oh, c'est-à-dire je vais être la petite voix dans les oreilles des héros? Mais c'est trop bien!
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
Okay.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Ok, attaquer la plante. La plante. Et la
Such an array of brave heroes to choose from. How could you possibly pick just one? This graph will show you what a hero does well and not so well. A hero with a knack for vigor and combat looks
Ok, ouais.
That sounds like me. Phenomenal.
Ok.
Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time
Tout seul?
to get to
Oh,
work.
pas deux? Ok.
A sound
Oh.
approach.
Ok.
I will now return to S.
Ah, ça a été rapide. Ok. La petite voix, mais c'est moi?
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed R&R. That stands for rest and relaxation.
Ok. Un petit BNB.
Review your heroes.
Bed and breakfast.
They won't be sent out again until
Ok.
you do.
Review. Ok.
On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required.
Oui. D'accord.
Let's see how well I did after responding to that.
Ok.
There.
Eh, bien
Is
joué.
a perfect fit. Use your intellect and your roster.
Ok.
The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am to succeed.
Ok, très bien, c'est très clair. Très clair. Ah, ok. Oh.
Criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Ok. Allez, zou.
We've got a potential villain hideout on the college campus.
Sometimes the solution is brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem.
Let's dash.
Ah, ok. Oh, ok. Ça, c'est quoi? Mobilité. Ok, carré. Intelligence. Elle est plus intelligente que toi. Mais ok.
Loud and clear. Moving out.
Beau parleur. With the French accent. Beau parleur. Ok. Tu voir? Ah ouais, j'aurais dû envoyer là, elle. Et le Kimi. Et j'avais raison par contre. J'aurais dû envoyer elle.
Tens across the board.
Et c'est parce qu'elle me parlait, ça m'a induit en erreur. Ok. Le musée a besoin d'un intervenant pour son expo sur les super-héros de la région. Ok, inaugurer l'expo sur les super-héros devant un public enthousiaste. C'est son expérience unique en tant que super-héros. Bah toi?
Excellent choice.
Bah ouais, charisme de zinzin. Le design et les noms des persos sont priceless. Bah ouais. Ça passe, GG, merci, vous êtes gentil. Faut faire gaffe. Mais ouais, mais je pensais que c'était dans le tuto en mode en voilà elle de toute façon.
One of your heroes needs you.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
As their leader, your
Le discours préparé par le SDH n'arrive pas à captiver l'audience, il va falloir improviser.
and follow where
Fais des blagues. Fais des blagues. Yes.
choices need the
Okay.
right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths and weaknesses.
Oh ouais, t'inquiète, j'ai fait ça. J'ai fait ça. Yes. Vernissage chic. Ah. Faire des blagues à un vernissage chic. Bon, sur l'idée, mais... Oh là là là. Ok. Intercepter, accabler en attaquant sans relâche. Ok, ok.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacation?
Mobilité.
Of course.
Combat. Vas-y, toi.
At a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss
Ouais, ouais, il faut qu'ils prennent des vacances quand même.
well in advance.
Énorme monstre.
PTO.
Ok. PTO. Oh, je sais pas. Oh. Détourner l'attention et encaisser les dégâts. Ok. Bah toi. Combat, mobile. Je vais peut-être pas y aller toute seule. Allez-y tous les deux. Vas-y. Oh damn, mais il y a tellement de trucs. Ok. Protéger les civils, arrêter les méchants. Tu peux faire des trucs toi ou tu étais juste intelligente?
Intellectually stimulating.
On va voir, surprise. 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 Quoi?
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
Vas-y. J'ai plus personne. C'était peut-être la pire idée du monde. Nickel. Alors, comment ça s'est passé ça? Bien, sûrement bien. Non, non. Oh, nul. Raté, tu es nul.
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift will end very soon.
Mais ils sont tous encore dehors? Je vais pas.
A hero can use their talents to tip the scales. They are superheroes.
Bah, fais ça, hein, t'as que ça. Ouch, ouais, ouais, super pouvoir smart, bah faut croire. Hein. Elle est trop belle. Oh, mais c'est quoi ce jeu-là? Oui, je sais, je sais.
No, help us. We're being held hostage. Send help, please.
Cette voix.
Suggestions on how to handle hostage situations on page 234 of SDN's Guide to Dispatching.
On s'est regardé. Ah, t'es tout seul, mon pote, hein. Convaincre les sbires et les forcer à se rendre. Bah, vas-y, hein, t'as du charisme. À tout moment, ça passe. Attendez, il faut que j'attende. J'ai plus personne, les gars, j'ai plus personne. J'ai envoyé trop de gens en mission. Ouais, minute papillon. Est-ce que j'ai le temps juste de... Ouais, je vais checker tout ça. Allez, 63%. Allez, vas-y, normalement c'est... Eh, nique ta mère. Non! Otage tué! Oh. Sache que sur Twitter et Insta, les fanarts mettent en avant tous les persos. Tous les persos ont leurs fans. Ça m'étonne même pas. Ça m'étonne même pas. Et t'es un peu nul, hein, beau parleur. C'est ma faute, je l'ai envoyé au mauvais endroit. La blague qui est mal passée, ouais. Quoi? Bien joué. Rue traversée. Ouais, bon, en même temps, t'aurais raté ça, mon pote.
Big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the
Ouais, bah là, c'était sûr.
Speaking of retirement, quick question. Phenomenon, does SDN offer 401k?
Oh, PER.
Yes, but there are limitations.
RH.
Our representative will have
Ok.
all the
Bon, toi. Tout le monde est en repos. J'aurais dû attendre un peu plus. Tu peux fermer? Ouais, je vais attendre. Vas-y, là j'ai du monde. Ok, poursuivre, résister, vaincre et capturer. Bon, on va... Eh, vas-y, je vais perdre aucune chose. Les deux là? Je te mets toi aussi ou pas? Vas-y, c'est bon. Je vais pas prendre de risques. Non, mais pas une retraite. Ah, c'est ça. Yes. Alors, J'ai réussi là. Vous allez pas me dire que non. Uniquement. Non, si, ça va, c'est bon, c'est bon. C'était l'inverse. Le orange, c'est le nous.
You are a natural.
Ouais, alors, natural. Faut voir les gens qui sont morts à cause de moi, alors là.
It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room.
GGS, ouais, bah ouais, j'ai bien, ouais.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
La voix du gars.
Say phenomenal.
La voix du gars, on dirait. Alors, je pense qu'il y aura que Sazuya qui aura cette ref, mais dans Repeat King, le commentateur, il a exactement la même voix que Phénoménal. Phénoméman, c'est nul. C'est pas Phénomémal, oui. Phénoménal.
Felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for a first time.
Madame.
Pretty...
Madame. Je me souviens de ça, je me souviens pas de sa voix. Ça m'a marqué.
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Madame! Faut pas me parler comme ça!
Is there a lab?
Ouais, t'es un peu coincé là, mon pote. Coincé. Oh, le gros chien! Oh, il a beaucoup de friandises, le gros chien! C'est son fond d'écran. Oh, j'adore. Oh, comment tu t'appelles? T'as été sage. Le chien! Il est trop mignon. S'appelle? S'appelle B.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Ouais. On dit qu'il est gros, bah il est gros, regarde-le. Il est sûrement très gentil, mais on peut pas mentir, c'est une petite boule. Il est très mignon. Oh, je l'aime. Eh, j'adore ce jeu. J'adore ce jeu. Bon, j'ai avoir des crushs sur tous les personnages par contre. Je le préviens d'avance. Oh. Clap. Ah bien sûr, continuez, bien évidemment, continuez. Ouais. Ah, attends, 46% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas embrassé Aurore. Oh damn. J'ai pas regardé juste avant, je mettrai pause sur le replay. Ok. 54% des joueurs et vous avez remonté le sbire. Ok. Taux de succès pendant le combat contre Toxic était de 88%. Vous avez fait mieux que 10% des joueurs. C'est pas si pire. Même pas déconcentré par le zizi. 29% des joueurs et vous avez coursé la conférence de presse. Oh, 29%, ok. 29% des joueurs et vous avez surnommé le flambeau Capitaine Crinière Humide. 45% des joueurs et vous avez réussi de justesse. Oh, nique ta mère. De justesse. J'étais dans les 54. Les 54 qui, pardon, qui quoi? Qui ont embrassé ou qui n'ont pas embrassé? Non, qui ont tué? Le zizi pour le bisou. Ah. Oh, mais en vrai... Oh. Non, mais en fait, j'avais peur... Oui, on va faire le deuxième épisode. J'avais peur qu'elle soit gay, que ce soit purement du taf, et que juste il mésinterprète parce qu'il était bourré, et que du coup, ce soit bizarre après. J'avais pas envie. Oh non. Hello. Ah, bah plutôt, ouais.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomenon. Can SDN help me out with this?
Oh, c'est une pub.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock. So
Oh là là, les jeux de mots, envie de crever, c'est quoi cette pub?
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird.
Non mais grave.
Right. Phenomenon He's like a rock star.
Oui, il galère aussi avec le nom.
It's I
I'm joking, because of the rock and the roll. Cool. Cool commercial.
Il a l'air d'un con.
I'm a fan, you might say. You could say.
Il a l'air d'un con, vas-y.
I hate to break it to you. I heard he's a jerk. Most big heroes are.
What? Jerk? No.
Excusez-moi, il y a une bête.
I think so. Yep, that's not right. That is not right.
Oh, il me met mal à l'aise, lui.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh, no, not necessary. I'm sure I...
Non, t'y arrives pas.
You nervous? Big job interview?
No, I mean, yes, but yes is more... My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh là là, le ringard. Oh là là. Anxieux, le pauvre, mais ouais, il me fait de la peine. Il a plus de sourcils.
Okay. Your face is next aside of my face. I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Pardon?
On the inside.
Non, bébou.
Different in person.
Oh non.
You're heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow. Laser, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Elle est trop mignonne avec son petit sac à dos là. Je vais au travail. Je suis héros et je vais au travail. Tout.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes.
Okay.
Better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past.
D'accord. T'es un employé McDo, mon pote.
Being bigger. I was a little drunk.
Ouais.
Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet.
Je peux pas regarder en fait.
Sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
It's fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's sure.
I mean, don't stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Oui, ça serait bizarre.
Well, actually, yeah, I'm just gonna...
Fais ça.
There.
It doesn't
Ouf.
look it, but I am flexing
Oh
it.
la vache, il a morflé de ouf.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night.
Oh la vache.
Regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake.
Je leur peux pas me spoil, ça marche, merci.
I can go into the details of those complications with you later.
Look, we were both a little tipsy, got lost in the moment. You know, it's totally understandable. It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Ouais, mais là, à l'aise.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right.
Voilà.
You brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Pardon. Ah, puis la personne a bien tout entendu, c'est cool.
So, you two fuck or what?
No professional lines were crossed.
Alright, so just like grinding, clothes on stuff.
Easy, knock it off. I just got a little tipsy at our meeting.
Même pas eu un bisou.
Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all
À la garce.
that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look,
Oh là là.
it's what I do. You have a chance to turn things around, bring some good into the world, and I'll support you in whatever way possible.
Oh, ça va la saouler ce discours, c'est sûr.
Just maybe. By the end of all of this, Helping people is what you do too.
Elle va être en mode bah.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him.
Je la déteste.
What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch, which is a villain.
J'adore.
Brander.
Yeah.
Invisibitch.
Felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? Then you have a good
J'adore.
idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Oh, mais ta gueule, quel bedaine. C'est très bien, mon pote. Mais grave, il stocke sa mère, ils sont tous là en train de parler trop mal de lui.
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people.
Okay.
Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great.
Là, il y a un chat.
One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation. Dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom. From a different galaxy altogether.
Ok.
And then there's Galen,
Open space.
way back there.
Là, ça commençait à me manquer déjà. Content d'y retrouver.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Right.
Bio.
I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the
Ça va ensemble,
when
hein.
you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Ah, ça va être la pochette. Regarde pas.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants.
Ok.
What people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Roy.
Allez, c'est bizarre, mais go.
All right. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise.
Je suppose que vous faites pas ça.
So roid, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen.
Et il pisse combien de temps, lui?
Brother named Roy. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Roy. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think.
Mais arrête de pisser. Si, on va à côté du type seul, on le touche. Ouais, bah oui, tu m'étonnes.
Like I'm on steroids. But they think I'm some kind of a juice head. They think I'm...
Non, c'était une blague.
They think Roy's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I know Ken.
Yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You won fun.
Lave-toi les mains.
Oh, man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm
Ah, merci.
Here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis.
Ce n'est pas la sienne. Oui, mais quand même, enfin, je veux dire... Il l'a rangée, quand même, un moment.
Nah, bro, I never touched nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even if I just do like this.
On veut pas savoir.
Can you show me again?
Non. Ils sont terribles. Ah. Oh, j'adore les persos, ils sont trop cool. Ils sont trop cool.
How are you?
That's an aggressive way to go.
Personne très... Non, c'est écrit très vieux.
Prick. Your bones, kid.
Mais arrêtez.
These assholes in the shape of what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm still confused.
Ils sont tous très vulgaires, par contre. Hein.
How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar?
Holy shit. Yeah, you fucker.
Ah.
From old men you don't know. Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it,
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10?
Façon de parler, ils font des blagues à notre place, mais grave.
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Grave.
Sorry. I never noticed.
Deux persos sont très vulgaires seulement, t'inquiète. Ok.
I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I
Ouais, c'est marrant.
50 times faster when I used my powers.
Merde.
Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
Then how old are you really?
I turned 39 a few months ago.
What?
Dave and Buster's shit was lit.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Oh wow, ok.
Always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. Right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your
Je
team.
sens mal lui à 26 ans, je capte. Mais quoi? Mais quoi? Vous êtes des sans-ans, vous.
Now, if I'm being honest, I still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvements soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool.
Ok.
No pressure.
Révélez votre héros. Papa, papa, papa. J'adore ce moment. Ah, ok.
Sonar here was a
Oh,
Harvard
il est stylé.
Will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also
Okay.
orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Ok. Accro à diverses substances illicites. Détournement, chantage, possession de drogue, contrefaçon, fraude, blanchiment d'argent, parjure, cyberharcèlement. Et une bonne personne, hein. Une bonne personne. Une bonne personne, une bonne personne. Je fais F, ça fait quoi? Oh. Oh. Ok. Oh, ça c'est intéressant ça. Toi.
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him.
Un bon gars, ouais.
Running with him years back.
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Ouais, on sait ça. Colérique, sans surprise, pyromane, a conçu sa propre tenue. Ça explique beaucoup de choses. Crime, incendie volontaire, agression, vandalisme. Oui, ok. Ok.
Invisigal, who you met, turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious? Really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Peut devenir visible quand elle veut, mais uniquement en retenant son souffle. Asthmatique, désagréable, distance. C'était quand même dommage, ça. Agression, larcin, vol. Ok. Ok.
Here we have coupé, which
Coupé.
is a French ballet term that means to
Le col fait bien décolleté, tenue à la Skyheart, grave.
Sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Ok. Arme quoi? Un bras kinétique. Un bras. Mystérieuse, mortelle, farouche. Nice. Ok. Agression armée, chantage, assassinat, enlèvement, harcèlement. Nice. Je dis jamais ce mot, moi, tous les jours. Umbra.
Carnival strongman who made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the
Il est tout petit?
and his muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Nice. Ok. Possède la force de 10 hommes et la moitié de la taille d'un seul. Ok, cool. Agression, violation de liberté conditionnelle, ivresse sur voie publique, meurtre. Nice.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
Je vais clairement l'appeler Carlac. Ok. Possède une queue préhensible. Ok. Marraine de sonar chez les NA. Je sais pas ce que ça veut dire. Athée, fan de documentaires criminels. Ok. Agression, cambriolage, chantage, contrefaçon, enlèvement, meurtre. Mais oui, Carlac l'irrite. Oh, bah oui, c'est ça. La cousine de Carlac, mais c'est ça. La momie. Non, mais sans blague. Sans blague. Narcotique anonyme? NA? Oh, ok. Ok.
That's Golem. He is a construct.
A construct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic.
Ok.
I think he's lonely.
Oh, le pauvre. Grande masse d'argile et de terre, aime la poésie et le basketball. Du mal à passer les portes, sans blague. Complicité, trouble à l'ordre public, vandalisme. Ok.
Prism, Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Elle chante?
Why is she dressed like a pop star?
She's actually super.
Oh, wow, nice. 1,3 million de followers. Ok. Snob musical, très dramatique, demande constamment à retourner dans sa caravane. Ok. Agression, possession de drogue, conduite en état d'ivresse, fraude fiscale. Ok. Moi, IRL, de quoi lui. Oui, bah oui, sans aucun doute, ouais. C'est sûr, c'est sûr. Eh, je les aime bien.
C-Team, my team, their Phoenix program.
That is correct.
Your own mind.
Ah bah super.
We're not looking
Super.
for miracles.
On travaille avec Flambeau, là?
One if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off.
Oh, je les aime bien.
This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
Et on va faire ça, je pense. Avec le login bien sur le PC. Je serais pas trop content au niveau de la charte d'informatique. Moi, je faisais ça aussi à chaque fois.
Look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team.
Non, 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 mais les rencontre pas, je pense.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past
Les persos sont si attachants, mais grave.
better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland.
Ok.
Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Ghostbusters.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Oh, j'espérais qu'il fasse la blague.
Hey team, this is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real first name, bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we
Okay.
clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Oh là là.
Roberto son.
I saw him in his underwear.
Oh là là. Oh.
But he's got a lot of.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for fucking purposes.
Ça, c'est une bonne chose à rappeler, ouais, je pense.
Fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Ok. Thanks, Dad. Hop là.
Balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Ouais, bah je pense. Grimper un arbre de 12 mètres. Qui fait ça? Toi? Tu fais ça, toi? Toi déjà, attends. C'est comme ça. Elle m'a l'air ultra agile de ouf. Ah, couper. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Aucune des deux. Aucune des deux, je les sens chaud pour ça, mais bon. Peut-être toi t'es plus sympa. Allez.
Fetching a child's lost balloon.
Ne pas faire pleurer. Je te laisse deviner qui est l'un des deux vulgaires.
Then tell me what it is.
Off the books assassinations.
I will take that under consideration.
Ok, cool. Inauguration très médiatisée, envoyer quelqu'un qui donnerait une bonne image. Merdin. Aucun. Une bonne image. Quoi? Ouais, toi. Allez. Ouais. Dommage, on n'a plus notre beau parleur. Ouais, non, ça va aller, je pense. Quelqu'un de populaire. Ouais. Il y en a aucun d'eux pour l'instant qui est.
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's
Ah
Friday.
ouais.
I know.
Ah d'accord. Ah ouais. T'as réussi ou pas? Oh là. Hey!
I'm pleased to report my success.
Bah, très bien, bravo. Ah. Ah, faut... Oh! Réparer le bidet défectueux. Bah, super. Un truc vraiment des héroïques de ouf. Hein. Appeler un plombier, en fait. C'est pas limité longtemps.
Let's see if I can do this. Yes.
Mhm. Hey, Zoupella. Woman. Voilà, j'ai réparé le bidet. Porte en fait. Porte. Hop, alors toi, ça a été comment? T'as réussi? C'était... Ah, merde de merde. Eh ben...
Not how I
Humilié. C'est pas grave. Arrive. Arrive. 56% c'est 0%. Ah.
Do you know who we saw in the bar last night? Mecha Man. And he kicked Flambe's ass.
Ouais, chut.
That little shit did not kick my ass. You did though.
Oh oh.
I think I heard about
Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Alors, mettre fin à la bagarre diplomatiquement. Toi, je peux pas compter sur toi. Trop de balles. Toi, tu vas faire peur à tout le monde, du coup, ça va direct se fight, non? Toi, tu parles, a priori. Eh, vas-y, essaye.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Oh, je vais peut-être en envoyer une autre. Oh! Vas-y. Oh! Ok, très intéressant. On va faire ça. Trop bien, bah vas-y, let's go.
I think I'm liking this benevolent devil vibe.
Tu bloques déjà ça? Bah écoute, faut croire. Blague 56%, c'est 56%. Ah ok, d'accord. Tu sais, j'ai loupé un truc. Perturbation. Ah, 2 secondes. Vol de bateau. Suivre les voleurs, restituer le bateau en un seul morceau. Vas-y.
I'm busy.
Bon? J'étais pas? Et d'où il a le choix?
All right.
So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
Oh wow.
Just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
Wow, il veut pas, mais qu'il aille se faire foutre.
Shut the fuck up.
Ouais, bah va bouder dans ton coin, connard. Alors attends, ces idiots se battent pour le nom de Fightman. Il y a des nouveaux noms pour régler ça. Vas-y, fais-leur un relooking d'idol.
Give him a makeover.
All right. From this point on, you two have been reborn as Saber and the Bruiser.
Ah, la bosse en fait.
You're off route.
C'est quoi lui? C'est sa life. Putain mais mec, t'es sérieux là?
Local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
Bah tiens.
So how could I know?
Bah tiens, quelqu'un de solide, vite, mais à toi.
Fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Whatever, man.
Oh là 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 là, il casse les couilles.
I don't know what you do, man. I just started today.
J'ai le contrôle du système de sécurité, éviter les capteurs de mouvement et appréhender les foudeurs. Oh.
Security here is amateur hour.
Oh.
Trust me. I can handle this a lot
Parce
faster.
qu'elle a envoyé seule un visimeuf. Un visimeuf. Réduit le temps de trajet. Ok, bah parfait. Bon, je te fais confiance.
Jenny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN hiring criminals to protect us.
Oh, ça va. Éduquer l'entre-dieu sur le programme Phoenix du SDH. Qu'il a tort au sujet de la Team Z. Tu peux être cool, toi? Oh non, clairement. Vas-y, toi. Vas-y. Tu parles bien. Vas-y, go.
Said I was pregnant. Hell no.
Enceinte? Comment éviter les capteurs? Pirater. Zigzag, fonce. Bah mets-toi invisible! Moi, je vais t'aider alors. Je suppose que c'est ça que ça veut dire, le petit. Ah là, il y a du temps. Oh, ça me stresse le fait qu'il y ait du temps. Hey! C'est pour mettre la goutte. Eh oui, merci, merci.
All sensors are back up, team.
Montrer les ficelles, ok? Show me.
Hero ranked up. Good job. Go check that hero database.
Okay.
Now navigate to the new upgrade tab. Every rank up earns skill points.
Oh.
Use them for increasing stats. Use the plus icon next to a stat to spend it.
Ok. Nice. Ok, attends. Problème.
You've encountered these thieves before.
Et compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art dans ce réseau criminel, localiser les membres connus pour trouver leur planque. Qui est intelligent là-dedans.
Graceful.
Ah, elle est trop belle elle aussi. L'émission a plus de 2 emplacements. Couper gagne plus 1 en combat si elle est sur le premier emplacement. Et... Oh, t'as besoin d'aucun des deux globalement. Oh, vous serez... Ah. Vas-y. J'en vois beaucoup de monde. Mais si, ça, tu vois, ça va être cool.
Your sword is magnificent. Does it have a name? Yeah, it's...
Y a pas un perso pas beau, regardez. Non mais oui, oui, en vrai, ils sont très beaux. Ils sont vraiment très beaux.
Fine. That's good.
Les gars.
What's going on, Sonar?
Oh, that, yeah. He kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Okay.
Randomly.
We are working on controlling it.
Ok, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ok, revenant d'une mission, il traverse ses stats, intelligence avec combat, charisme avec vigueur. J'ai une mission. Là, il se passe quoi, là? Le feu est incontrôlable. Oh, putain. Putain, le feu avec la lance à eau étouffe les flammes avec ton corps. Non, ça... Nécessite flambeau, bah ouais, bah oui. Aïe, aïe. Oh, il est blessé, merde. Oh. Quelqu'un lui fera un petit bandage, s'il vous plaît, merci. Oh, oh là là. Non mais Flambeau, regarde quand t'as foutu la merde, là. Dommage, ouais. Flambé. Ah ouais. Oh putain, vas-y, je suis un zizi.
Impossible to screw up like that.
Look, ouais.
And that's how we do it down under.
Bien joué. Avec beaucoup de réussite aujourd'hui.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vandersnake needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
For some situations, you can only choose one solution.
Ok. Vous voyez quelqu'un d'autre? Envoyez sonar sécurisé. Ah oui. Ah ouais, non. Vous voyez quelqu'un d'autre. Protéger, empêcher les fans fervents. Et avoir l'air classe. Allez.
Right.
Les choses bien, s'il te plaît, nous faut pas honte.
Ah, I can't do it. I need you in the field. Sorry.
That's like a real bummer, man.
Désolé.
A kid just robbed me. That little shit, I want him behind bars.
Je vais l'encourager à se reprendre en main. Je suis pas sûre que là, toi, tu sois pas sûr. Vas-y. Je fais peut-être les pires choix. Hein. Localiser les œuvres. Ok, bien protégé, discrétion, utiliser. Je vais vous envoyer à 2 parce que là, vous ratez tout sinon.
Need to get some steps in anyway.
Oh là là, évacuer, sauver les personnes prises.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway. On it.
J'aime bien cette équipe.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days.
Ah, t'inquiète, fais déjà le jeu pour ça. Oui, c'est sûr.
I set the car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Ok. Oh, bien joué! Eh, flambeau.
That'll do.
Bien joué. Souvent zizi, mais là, t'as géré. Bravo.
Wow, you're on fire today.
Oh, this? I'm just warming up.
Ok, plus en combat, plus en mobilité. Oh, ok, les bonus sont réinitialisés après un échec. Oh, ok. Ils se sont pupissés, quoi, c'est ça que vous êtes en train de me dire. Alors... Rajout. Wow. Allez. Ok. Vous allez voir, moi, je suis un spécialiste pour mettre tout le monde à plat comme ça. Toi... Pas de mal. Je suis désolée, j'essaie de tenir jusqu'à la fin du live, mais là, il faut vraiment que j'aille aux toilettes. Je reviens. Je vous mets une petite pause. À tout de suite. À tout de suite. Soyez sages. Je reviens. I'm back, bitches. Hop. Putain. Et c'est la pause pipi. Vous êtes ouf ou... C'est la PPP, la petite pause pipi. Hop. J'espère que tu vas mieux. J'avais juste envie de pisser, ça va. On va s'en remettre, je pense. Allez, let's go, on continue. Oh, mais ça va pas la tête. Je ferai pas ça en live. Alors... Beaucoup de voleurs dans cette planque, comment doit-elle procéder? Fais sortir les tableaux en silence, fais ça. Fais ça.
Paintings out quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer.
Ok. Mhm.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
D'accord. Pas de souci, pas de souci. Hop là. Bien, il y en avait d'autres? Ils ont été gamins, ils ne savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. C'est de lui... Ah, Malévola Osona. Essaie de lui parler. De lui parler.
You know, give him a pep talk.
Pep talk. Pep talk. Yeah. Elle m'a inspiré en bien. Merci de le préciser. En bien. Et là, du coup, Jamie est prise au piège dans sa maison, nous devons laisser courir. Traverse les flammes. Traverse les flammes. Pouah, madame. Oh là 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 là. Oh là 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 là. Oui, qu'est passa?
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up, aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Ok, bah vas-y alors, hein. Dans ce cas.
I got this one. Seriously, don't worry about it.
Je te fais confiance, fais pas de la merde.
I promise. Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Always make sure to read the fine print.
Ok. Fuck.
I didn't do this.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Just a plain-ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slapped that donut around on your face a little before you...
Arrête.
Gobbling on hot sauce.
Non, mais dis pas ça, t'es enregistré.
Mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room?
J'aurais pas dû lui répondre. Non.
What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this isn't
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me.
Oh non, elle est bien.
How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
Cool.
Am I doing something wrong?
Je vais faire du piratage encore.
Access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Oh, ouais, c'est le premier jour. On va faire du piratage.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Peut-être que c'est pas juste un donut shop. Non, non.
Hello?
Oui, bah 2 secondes. Ah.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Ok. Ok. Ça va être très très chaud si c'est des plus grandes distances à faire. Je suis un petit peu nul.
Alright, what do we got here?
Oh, il y a un vilain.
Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone.
Attention.
Coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
No, no.
Ok, bien joué.
God damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind.
Got any more great advice?
Disappear!
J'aurais dû mettre baisse-toi, mais c'est pas grave.
Shit.
Oh, quoique. C'est marrant que ces fringues disparaissent, mais pas à l'étage de.
Bitch! Invisigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Ah ouais, je peux même. Ok.
I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Fais ça.
Come on, come on, come on. Got him.
Oh là là, je vais en chier là. Oh, ça va. Ok. Attends. Ok. Yay! Salut Sasso, comment vas-tu? On découvre ce merveilleux jeu qui pour l'instant nous plaît beaucoup, 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 beaucoup. Il s'appelle Coup de foudre. Eh ben... Attention, à toi. Oula, 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 oula. Oula, roule.
I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay?
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Okay, disarm Granny before the thing blows his
Ouais.
face off. It looks super unstable.
Ouais.
Attack the client. Fuck that.
I did think your way to turn this shit. I'm taking out the guys who are trying to kill me.
That wasn't a suggestion, it's a direct...
Mais si le gars il se blesse.
Hey, Invisigal, you okay? Hey,
Elle t'entend plus, elle a enlevé l'oreillette.
come in.
Si ça va. Mais voilà, c'était...
Smells like bacon a little. It's gross, but it's also kind of not bad.
Yeah, great. Okay, where's the perp?
Ok, t'as raté les deux trucs. Peut-être que m'écouter c'est bien aussi.
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
Ah ouais? Non, non, vraiment pas.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
That's the problem. This isn't the army and these ain't soldiers.
Oui, c'est sûr. C'est des anciens méchants. T'as pas coûté, c'est ta faute. Bah oui, mais bon après, je pense qu'elle a un petit problème avec l'autorité cette dame. Donc je vais pas trop lui en vouloir non plus.
You look like you could use a snack.
On leur a un peu build la confiance, comme ça elle va plus m'écouter, ça va être bien. Ça va être bien. Oh. On a 3 échecs, hop. Pas dingue. Pour la récompense. Très ok. Ah ouais? J'ai l'impression que c'est bien nul, moi. Ah. Moi, je t'imagine bien avec ça. Ok. T'as Miami avec eux. Il a éclaté son truc du coup? T'as plus rien à manger genre? Ou il est juste ouvert?
Hey. Ah, shit. What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different?
C'est clair.
You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Très bien de meilleurs potes.
I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
Look at me. You did
Elle va pas m'aimer.
direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the client hurt. I don't think when he called us, he thought he'd be ending the day wanking at Lefty because you turned his other arm into a pork rind.
Granny would be fine if Granny didn't pick that fucking thing up in the first place.
C'est vrai, elle marque un point.
Dumbass trying to be a hero. And don't fucking say it, I know where you're going.
The fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Non mais l'engueule pas non plus.
Right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man.
Non mais c'est pas le but.
There's a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish.
Non, c'est pas ça qu'il fallait dire. C'est vraiment pas ça qu'il fallait dire. Oh, elle va me détester. Attends, je me comporte comme une merde. Ah, mérité, mérité, mérité. On prend pas les gens de haut comme ça. Tu peux essayer de lui expliquer pourquoi elle a merdé, mais tu peux pas la prendre de haut comme ça, c'est pas possible.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
Non.
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
Être désobéi par un visible meuf.
What happened to your nose?
J'ai pris une patate.
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert.
Je suis dégoûtée.
Ignore it, but that became impossible when it's
cogné.
soaking in blood.
I don't know. I just sort of bumped my head, I guess.
Right. When I think of someone bumping their head, it's the back of their head. Your nose, your bloody nose, is the same place as your eyes, which is on your face.
Right. I guess I bumped my face then.
We're here to assist you, and aside from whatever,
Oui, bon.
I thought it was pretty good.
Et même pas trop la dame.
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z team.
Ouais.
We just
Ah bon?
the fact that it might be the best they can do, especially the way the granny thing went.
Yeah, now the granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But
Ouais.
it's so much worse with Invisigo.
Ah ouais?
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
Non, dis pas ça.
Sure, but I see a lot of promise in her.
Moi j'ai confiance en elle.
Even the other Z-teamers.
J'aurais pu faire mieux.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better.
Mais oui.
Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there.
Oui.
I could have been a little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Aussi.
Robert,
Les deux en
you
fait.
should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me.
Exactement, merci.
I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need them to see I'm all in and they need to match that in.
Yes!
Tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to.
Yes!
I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Hey, c'est ça qu'on veut! C'est ça qu'on veut!
We'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
Et grave, grave. Les deux sont coupables. Bien sûr que les deux sont coupables.
That I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work, but it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
Ouais.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
J'aime bien, j'aime bien.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no, I did this. It's weird, because, yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin, but then she comes back and she just crazy, like,
Vraiment, je l'aime bien, elle.
smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What?
No, yes, see, I'm SDN's newest, he
Hero?
helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which...
Il me fait trop de peine. Oh là là. Aidez-le, faites quelque chose.
I'm good to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah. Great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you.
Bah non.
You too.
Pas bienvenue. C'est beau. Ah non, ça me dégoûte. Je pensais pas que tu faisais ça comme ça, bro. Vraiment.
I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z team. I wouldn't do that to you.
It's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
I'm really glad I'm here too.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Yep.
Awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
Non! Non!
Are you
Nope.
ready to go?
Pardon? Ta fille?
This? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomeman. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout avec lui?
Honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey,
Oh, ta gueule.
you gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only see.
Non mais c'est pas possible, c'est pas possible.
How was his first day? Was his lack of size and
Ouais.
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo.
Largue-le vraiment.
Where the owner dreams of sushi. You should.
Non.
I'm sure they could accommodate one more.
Je vais voir mon chien.
Special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing. Even if that life is a dog.
Mais va te faire foutre en fait.
Right.
J'avais raison, c'est un con.
He flies a little faster.
Oui, surtout il a besoin de faire attention à son ego, surtout je pense.
Now, could you step back?
Eh vas-y, aide-lui mais.
My launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout avec ce type? Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout avec ce type? Mais même elle l'aime pas. C'est obvious. Même elle l'aime pas. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout encore avec lui? Eh, pas mal, hein? Alors, les stats. 93% des joueurs ont fait un check à Roid, bien sûr. 75% des joueurs, et vous n'avez pas dit qu'un Vizimeuve vous avait frappé. Je suis tellement normal. 32% des joueurs et vous préférez les donuts glacés. Ok. 72% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas proposé un rencard. 89% des joueurs et vous avez refusé de dîner. J'ai bien fait de pas lui proposer un rencard. Et j'ai bien fait de pas l'embrasser. 42% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas laissé Sona rencontrer Vanderstank. Bon. Ah mais oui. 22% des joueurs et vous avez laissé Prism renommer les Fightmen, le sabre et le cogneur. Envoyer t'es coupé. Ok, vous avez fait mieux que 20% des joueurs. Eh, c'est pas beaucoup. C'est pas beaucoup. Personne choisit le glacé. Ah bon? Mais si, c'est les meilleurs les glacés. Les meilleurs les glacés. Oui, j'ai eu le succès, mais bon. Quand même. Épisode 3, non, vu l'heure, il va falloir que j'y aille. Nous devons manger. Et c'est quand même 2 matins cette semaine, donc. We are gonna eat. Ok, et bah écoutez, petite dinguerie par contre, hein, vraiment. Écoutez-moi, cette merveille, tout de suite.